Welcome to the Stevenson University Library's Research Skills Tutorials. I'm your librarian guide, and today we'll explore the critical skill of assessing the quality and relevance of information sources. Let's begin our journey. Our first stop is academic sources. Our library is filled with scholarly journals and books. Academic sources are the cornerstone of university research. Why? They're written by experts, for other experts and students. They're based on original research. They're often peer-reviewed. They use formal technical language, and they include author credentials and references. Imagine a display showcasing a typical scholarly article. Before you decide to include it in your project, you'll need to decide two things. Is it a reputable piece of research? Is it the best one for your project? When we evaluate scholarly articles, we use the ABCs of credibility to examine three aspects: authority, bias, and craftsmanship. Now let's move to news and website evaluation. Imagine screens displaying various news sources found on websites. With claims of fake news circulating, it's crucial to develop fact-checking skills. To evaluate news and web sources, we use the SIFT method. Stop, investigate the source, find better coverage, and trace claims to their origin. Our final stop is the information fitness zone. Here, we focus on assessing how well information fits your specific needs. Take a look at the FIT criteria. Does your source fulfill assignment requirements, include important facts, and tie to your topic deeply? Remember, finding information is just the beginning. You need to ensure it supports your argument effectively. As we conclude our tutorial, take a moment at our reflection corner. Consider how these evaluation skills will enhance your research process. By mastering these skills, you're not just becoming a better researcher, you're becoming a more informed citizen in our information-rich world. Remember, our library staff is always here to assist you in navigating the complex world of information. For more information, watch the individual tutorials in our Evaluate and Select Sources series. Thanks for watching. Contact the library if you'd like assistance. If you'd like to share feedback on this tutorial, you can do so at the link or QR code on your screen.